What's going on, beautiful subscribers? It's April 4th. Today we're looking at 5 of my younger peach trees. Here we have the Redhaven and the Contender. The Redhaven is the first of my peach trees to flower. It's the furthest along, has roughly 850 chill hours. And the Contender is the last of my peach trees to flower. It has roughly 1100 chill hours. Not only does it flower later, the flowers are apparently more cold hardy. So if you live in the north, start with the Contender. And then maybe the Cresthaven. Cresthaven is not as far along either. Here's the Cresthaven. Flowers are just opening. But you're probably gonna want to avoid Redhaven. You're gonna want to avoid White Lady. And you're gonna want to avoid Alberta. Even though Alberta's supposed to open up later, but obviously it didn't. This is Redhaven. Just an absolute beautiful tree. Amazing peach. Beautiful flowers in the springtime. But early. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different peach trees. And Redhaven is the earliest by far. So maybe you'll get lucky a few years in zone 7A and not get hit by a late frost. But I wouldn't start with this peach tree. It's a fun peach tree to grow, but I would start with the Contender and I would start with the Cresthaven if you live in the north, because you are going to be more likely to avoid the late frost. And then branch out into other varieties, because at that point it won't matter. At least you're gonna get some peaches every single year. Hit that like button.